Decentralized Science. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at a $657 million market cap for all of Decentralized Science. It was not more than a month ago that we were teetering with the $300 million market cap area. We have gone up hundreds of millions of dollars and still nobody knows what's going on in the space. That's going to change today. I have a large list of activities and things that have happened in the world of decentralized science with many of the projects that I like to pay attention to and that I cover on a very frequent basis. I'm very excited to get into today's live stream. We're going to rapid fire a lot of the announcements. All of these come from the last week. The last 1 week of activity. I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek here, because I've put together the entire list of all announcements that have happened for the space of decentralized science. You see how quick that was? A little sneak peek. What's good, Truth? What's good, Johnny? How's it going, Zaj? What's good? Good morning, Thuna. Welcome in. Welcome in. You can take a quick look at CoinGecko with the list of decentralized science projects here and see, no surprise at all, that Axon in the last 7 days is up 67%. We have Vaita DAO up 169%. We have Hippocrat up 18%. They are about to launch their mainnet on their own L1 from my understanding. We have Cryo DAO up 164%. That one's kind of shocking to me. Back at $1.25. Athena DAO 128%. TIG 24%. AMX down 2.9%. Cerebrum DAO 150%. This is monstrous rallies, and it is just getting started. VitaFast, one of the IP NFTs, up 83% on the last week. Look at this thing. It's still very small. It's still down pretty low compared to where its all-time high was, up at $14, almost $15. It's down at almost $6. These are very, very small things in the grand scheme of cryptocurrency, in the grand scheme of blockchain technology. A $5.8 million market cap is nothing. Another thing I really want to pay attention to is Pump.Science, guys. Pump.Science. This is a meme for sure, but it is also very intriguing what is going on and the ROI that's already happened. One of these molecules, which again, we've been talking about for months. No more than a month ago, it was at a market cap of $4,000, and now it won't load for some reason. Screw you, Pump.Science, won't load, ruining my live stream like that. Not really, but it's all the way up at $150,000 market cap. Still very small. What, like a 50x from where it was a month ago when we were talking about it? You guys, anyone who got in on some of those is making killer gains right now. Now, Vaita, getting right into some of the updates, Vaita RNA, and that's like in the niches, in the weeds, paying attention. You guys are already here paying attention every single day. You might as well take action on some of the information that's being fed to you guys. Vaita RNA updates. They just had a big breakthrough from my understanding. I've not seen the actual update, but they had a big breakthrough for their Arten Bio molecule studies, the VitaFast molecule, right? The IPT. They are doing their first test in a living organism, an in vivo, in a living organism, molecular testing for their drug therapy. Crazy. Super exciting to see updates. It's progression. It's further along. We're getting further and further towards the goal of having different drug therapies. This is a literal biotech company which you can trade at a $5 million valuation. FDV, $5 million. Crazy. Very small. On to the next thing. We have Wellshare Health, which just launched their closed V2 beta testing for their app. So they're getting closer to launching their app. Now, Wellshare Health, we also saw last week, or 2 weeks ago, a partnership with Abbott, which is the largest or the second largest medical device company in the world. So what do you think is going to happen here? They're going to launch their app. They're going to get distribution from Abbott with their wearable, whatever it looks like. It's the continuous glucose monitor because they're focused on diabetes. And then they're going to be off to the races, collecting data and bolstering the community, getting a bigger and bigger community access into the actual tokens that are Wellshare. Now, Wellshare is not a DAO. It's a reward token that you're putting money into, so just understand that. We have Data Lake, just delisted from a centralized exchange and then pumped, well, it pumped like 200% in a single day after getting delisted. It's down 7% here today, but that's quite all right because it literally just pumped like 200%. Look at that. We'll zoom into this. Everything was down and out for a lot of these DeSci plays, and then up almost 300% in the span of a week. In the span of 1 week, it went up almost 300%. That's some really phenomenal returns, and that is because these projects have been counted as like dust. They're down and out. Everything was down at all-time lows practically, and things were starting to come back to life because while the market's not been respecting altcoins with real utility, that doesn't change the fact that all these altcoins have actual businesses that they're running and the tokens just associated with it. That's what we pay attention to, is that discrepancy between Data Lake continuing to progress its advancements in everything that they're doing with onboarding new patients into their consent-based platform, launching the L1, which is really an L3, but launching their own blockchain to help facilitate the medical data that's being generated across all of Europe. They literally have backing from the European Union, and people are like, oh, that project's dead. No, it's probably not dead. And sitting at an $8 million market cap, it's disgustingly undervalued. But they delisted from their centralized exchange, which was BitGet, after finding out that the money they had given, or the tokens, the 50 million tokens they had given BitGet to create volume, right? Because the goal was to make it a liquid token, so they saw volume trading. What BitGet was doing was just every time someone purchased any of the Data Lake token, they would sell and tank the price. So they were just liquidating. They took millions of dollars out of the Data Lake ecosystem. And so they were like, screw you guys, we're delisting. And here's why you probably should delist as well. Because a lot of these centralized exchanges are kind of predatory, which is a double-edged sword in crypto, right? It's good to have the liquidity to get in and out, but it's also not good if they're just going to be harvesting the token, right? There was something like, someone put together, and I should have pulled it up already, but someone put together a list of all the tokens that had been listed on Binance in the last like 2 months or whatever, and the resulting market action since. And it was like they list on Binance and only 2 tokens out of like the 30 or 40 that they had listed were up at all. Everything else was down dramatically. Next thing up, Genom Dow. We talked about this the other day, and how they were having an increase in test runs and an increase in user signups. Again, another example of the fundamentals of a project increasing, and yet the token was not moving. The token was going down. But they had an increase because of that giant sale they were doing, and because they were incentivizing people from 23andMe and other genetic testing areas to come and put their genetic information into the Data Lake, or not the Data Lake, the Genomics DAO ecosystem, and actually begin getting compensated for it. They saw a big uptick in the amount of signups. And it's crazy, and I have this post pulled up as well, because this individual, small account, but still a very valid point that was made. They said, hear me out. A $6 billion company collapsed because of problem X. A Web3 project worth 10 million, 600 times smaller, solves the problem, and you're still unaware of it. 23andMe just collapsed because they got hacked, because it wasn't secure. They were storing the genetic information in a way that was not secure. Genomics DAO stores it in a way that is secure and compensates you for it. They solve the problem, and it's only worth like a $10 million valuation or something like that. Good morning, Dawn. Genomics DAO, not gene, it's genome. I think it's this one, right? It's on base, yeah, so this is it. It's literally a $10 million market cap. The company that they're absorbing the market share of, as evidenced by this chart right here, they're literally absorbing the user base to some extent, not the whole thing, but they're absorbing part of the user base. That company was $6 billion. This company's $10 million. And you can get into the DAO and gain exposure to something that is probably going to take off like a motherfucker. Next up, we're circling back to Vaita DAO because I was running late today and frantically threw all of these links up from the link that I showed you guys. Also, guys, you guys are entering into the live stream, but I don't see the likes entering into the live stream. So please remember that we're live Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, talk about decentralized science and the broader crypto markets. I have acknowledged recently that most people have no idea that this live stream is happening. Part of me likes it because we get to have that like deep connection and we get to actually feel like it's a strong community. The other part of me is like, why do I have to answer all these questions to people that are constantly asking me stuff when I answer them on a regular basis on the live streams? So share it out with some of your friends. Maybe we do a bring a friend to stream day next week or something. That's actually kind of a fun idea. On the raid day, we'll do a bring a friend to stream. All right. Because on Thursdays, we raid different communities and talk about decentralized science. So maybe we do a bring a friend to raid day. But Vaita DAO, how do we incentivize more novel and disruptive scientific ideas? Improved ownership structure of intellectual property through IP NFTs. That's the whole thing with their Vita Fast molecule and the Vaita RNA molecule and the Pump.Science thing that went up 50x and the hemp knitwear from Valley DAO, which is raising money right now to create an intellectual property around hemp textile company. Like, this stuff is crazy. It's really good ideas. And it's such small market caps. It's literally unicorn investing into biotech companies. And we saw biotech companies on the stock market go from $4 million market caps up to $200 million market caps in a single day. When they get approval from the FDA, when they get the go to market, these things will explode. It's just a matter of waiting a little bit till they get it. But the different updates from stuff like Vaita DAO saying, hey, we're doing tests in a living organism, or the thing from Athena DAO, which I don't have pulled up here because it was a couple weeks ago, in which Athena DAO is already doing tests in living organisms. Athena DAO's molecule that they posted for sale is the closest to an FDA approval out of everything that I saw. And it's crazy. But this whole idea of intellectual property tokens allows for us to get into some of these initiatives. Along with these IPTs, Vaita DAO just launched their first ever longevity product. Look at that. It looks like a supplement. Vaita DAO is launching a consumer-focused supplement. That's crazy. That gives the revenue to the treasury so that they can continue to fund these moonshot scientific initiatives while actually maintaining some money coming into the treasury. The treasury is already worth like $20 million. Especially after this pump. The treasury is worth like $20 million and the market cap is 14 million. There's a discrepancy there if I've ever seen one. What do you guys think? How you guys feeling right now? How is the morning going for you? Good morning, Courtney. Good morning, C90. Any info on Amex or HSAI? No. I don't really pay too much attention to Amex or HSAI. I'm pretty sure, didn't HSAI get isn't that a migrated thing? I mean, it's down 50% today. Why? I've heard of it, but I guess I haven't researched it too much. I'm more of a fan of Rejuve over Amex. I remember doing a lot of research into it, but no, I don't have any information. Lo siento. On top of Vaita DAO, I know I'm rapid fire giving you guys information and going through a lot of this stuff, but on top of Vaita DAO having a successful announcement from their IP NFT and launching a supplement line for presumably longevity, we got Research Hub into the top 3 for blockchain for good. So Research Hub is, according to this, they got 3rd place at the Oscars for Web3. We already talked about it, but I just wanted to go over it again because this was a big initiative and this was a big thing that you guys had a pretty substantial role in. So just props to you guys again. Of course, sorry I didn't have more information for you. Courtney. Good morning, Beagle. Good morning. Lots of GMs in the chat, guys. Lots of GMs. I'm loving to see it. Loving it. Jason says, sounds great. I've been following you for a while and still no invest into DeSci. Been going heavy on your videos today, trying to make up my mind. Well, now's your time, my man. Any questions you have, feel free to ask them. Any questions. If you want us to do some analysis into any of the DeSci stuff that's going on right now, any questions you guys have, feel free to hit me with them. I'm down to talk about literally any of them. It is a massive opportunity. Again, all of decentralized science right now is a $650 million market cap. I think this is going to 200 billion, meaning the entire space, we're looking at nearly a 100x. We're looking at, what is that, like a 30x from here? That's some crazy gains. Some crazy, crazy gains. Is it? I feel like it's not. I feel like my math is not mathing correctly there. We got 200 divided by 0.6. 333x. We're looking, I think the space is going to 333x. That's 2% of the crypto market cap if the crypto market cap hits 10 trillion, which I think is very much so on the table. Another announcement this week, guys. This is all this week. Everything I'm going over is just this last week that just experienced. And it's not even everything. This is everything from the last week. But Genom Dow hinting at the development of a brain health app. Another great consumer-facing product. A brain health app. Imagine every day you go, you log on and you say, let me take this brain quiz, and you do some random games, or I don't know what it's going to look like. You answer some questions about yourself. You do some random games or some quizzes or something to get a brain health score, and then you get potentially rewarded with tokens. Who knows? Who knows? But they're developing an app right now. DeSci, again, coming to the main market share, coming forward so that people can actually experience DeSci. Because while stuff like this is happening, nobody really seems to care or pay attention to this kind of stuff. I know CryoDAO's had a rocky start, and I know that CryoDAO has experienced a lot of FUD, but let's take a step back and objectively look at this announcement for a second. The first ovary transplant and preservation made possible exclusively by CryoDAO members. This, from my understanding, is the first cryopreserved ovary that was then transplanted back into a large mammal, a sheep. CryoDAO. Decentralized Science is doing this. Are you joking? What kind of a world are we living in that crypto companies, guys, not like some giant, not Pfizer, not Abbott, not Merrick, not any of these giant medical companies that have been around for decades, if not centuries, but rather an innovative, highly accelerated, decentralized science company is doing the world's first XYZ. In this case, it's the transplant of a large mammal ovary. That's crazy, guys. That is crazy. And then we have Axon Dow, of course, with their ring and all of the data. I lost the article, it seems. Oh, this is what it was. The internal testing of their Cure OS operating system for the wearable ring. Where's my rings? I got a ring right here. Imagine you're just walking around wearing a ring and you're earning crypto potentially for giving up your data. That's cool. That's really cool, guys. This is advancements like we've not seen before. Dun, dun, dun. Johnny says 50 to 100x Axon thoughts. What is Axon chilling at right now? We really rapid fired a lot of that stuff. Axon's up 25% today. It's at 26 cents. So going back to, it's at a $47 million market cap. So where are my tools here? Where's my little... I do better on Dex Screener. Noble blocks, no. AXGT. So Axon Dow right now at a $50 million valuation. Not fully diluted because I don't give a shit about the fully diluted. I only care about the part that's actually going to impact the token. Fully diluted does not impact the token. Circulating impacts the token. So I only pay attention to circulating market caps because market cap is a made up thing anyways. So in order to get to $1 billion, we're looking at a double up here and then a 10x, so a 20x, which would put it at $5.50. I think Axon has a real likelihood of going to $1 billion in market cap, which means somewhere around $5. That is kind of where my price prediction is for it. Somewhere around $5 per coin. It's at 25 cents right now. So you're looking at a 20x from here. I've seen people go all the way up to $10. That would be a $2 billion market cap, which is possible. I just want to remain in my initial thesis for DeSci, which 2 months ago seemed like I was some out of touch moon boy. Most people disagreed with my price targets. However, when I posted them on X and then did a poll, a lot of people said I was a moon boy with it. Now that DeSci started pumping, I'm seeing price targets significantly higher than what I was saying. And so I want to stay level-headed and stay with my initial price targets as best as I can. If we get a ton of new information, then I can adjust them. But around a 20x from here is, in my opinion, for something like Axon. I got a spare bit of cash trying to make up my mind if to do the bio pre-sale. Jason would like to showcase to you the bio pre-sale, right? But I also want to tell you a couple of my thoughts with it. This is not financial advice, so do with it as you wish, all right? The Biogenesis auction, right now, you can get in to bio for 6 cents. It seems somewhere around 6 cents for some bio. You're getting into bio at like 140, I think, $120 million valuation. I don't remember off the top of my head, but $120 million valuation for bio. Not all of the tokens will be liquid, so I don't know what the circulating market cap will be at the time that you get in. But I think bio has a really good chance at going to like close to $5 billion in valuation, which would be around a 50x from bio. We will see if it actually gets to that point, but you're looking at somewhere in that ballpark for my experience, my POV, because it's getting exposure to all of these DAOs and the new DAOs that they'll be coming out with, like the bio, quantum bio, and the rare disease and the long COVID, which have really good potential. So it's like an index fund for all of DeSci. If you only want to buy one DeSci coin, this is probably going to be the one that is best suited for individuals like that. I think the valuation is very, very high, and something that you could, if you want to get into a pre-sale, pay attention to is the Poseidon DAO pre-sale that is coming up soon. The valuation for this one is going to be closer to $4 million as opposed to $140 million. Much smaller. I don't think it goes to 5 billion, but who knows? Who knows where things go? I do think it's going to get to several hundred million. So you're looking at, if you get in at 4 million and it goes up to 400 million, you're looking at a 100x on it as opposed to a 50x. But at that point, you're dealing with such high multiples that the safety that comes with bio might be what you're looking for. I'm trying to work with both of them, just to give you disclosure. So at that point, if I work with everyone, I remove any potential bias I have, right? It's like you can work with none of them and speak freely, or you can work with all of them and speak freely. So I'm trying to work with all of them and speak freely, but I'm going to speak freely regardless. You guys, I think at this point, can trust that I'm going to be completely as subjective as I can, because it's my opinions that I'm sharing with you guys. But when I'm sharing just the facts, like the valuations, that is objective information. I'm going on rants here today. I'm kind of fired up right now. I got I riled myself up pretty aggressively right before I went live. And so my want to just speak is aggressive right now. So Courtney says, my second bull run, people should buy immediately. Only other narrative is AI, and DeSci covers that. I think DPIN as well. That's been my 3 main narratives the whole time. DeSci, DPIN, AI. DeSci, DPIN, AI. So if I find, it looks like a lot of the DeSci stuff is segueing into DPIN, and low-key AI is just a make or break it thing. If you're not integrating artificial intelligence into anything that you're doing, it's probably going to fall behind. That's just the general consensus. All of these .ai things, they're cool, but a lot of it's just marketing hype. A lot of it is, let's buy a Lambo and drive it around the conference to gain as much attention as possible. But the projects that are actually just using artificial intelligence to bolster what they're doing are going to win in the longer term, right? In the short term, the hype is all that matters. But in the longer term, you're looking at projects that have fundamental sound technology. How are you on the side with Patrick blows your mind with moon math like 300x's? That's what I'm saying. Sorry, Jason, that's no way to welcome you to the crew. Welcome. welcome, welcome. Hopefully you return back to these live streams because when do we go live, guys? Can someone in the chat remind me when we go live? That would be very appreciated, actually. I'm having a little bit of a mental lapse here. I'm still holding cryo. Let's go. Buy Baxo NFA. Don, are you shilling non-DeSci projects here? But let's be real. Don blessed us. Disney, Sumatran Tiger. That's what you want us to get into? You want us to buy something that's up 500%? Don, why don't you mods? Don's looking for exit liquidity, mods. Mods, get Don out of here. You know whose meme coins went crazy? Amanda's. Amanda bought a bunch of meme coins like 2 days ago, and most of them are up like 30 to 100%. She is killing it right now. Noble price prediction. Well, the very well-known Noble price prediction I have is for Noble to get to $1. $1 is when I get the tattoo. I think very conservatively, Noble blocks heading all the way up into the at least $100 million is very realistic for Noble blocks. $100 million is a very small project still in the grand scheme of everything. That is a 50x and puts us up about 25 cents from where we're currently at. That is like a baseline, low-key, my bear case scenario. $1 for Noble blocks is a $400 million market cap. Now we're getting into the bigger stuff, but notice how I'm still not saying $1 billion. What happens if we get way more than 2% of market share? What happens if Noble blocks is one of the top 5 DeSci projects and we do get 2% market share? We're looking at potentially multiple, like Noble could end up being one of the 3 to 5 that gets to be $1 billion in market cap. And in that scenario, we're looking at multiple dollars per Noble blocks. In that scenario, if Noble blocks were to go to $1 billion market cap, we're looking at over $2. We're looking at closer to $3, which is a 63,000% gain or a 636x. Who knows? I'm not saying it's going to happen. I am saying it's on the table as a possibility, but that would be like the stars align for everything, which could happen, guys. I just want to remain objective and reiterate that at least $100 million market cap, which is 25 cents. $1 Noble is FUD. Let's go, Don. You don't have to be banned. You're back in, baby. If you're targeting $200 billion market cap, then Axon Vaita Bio has at least $10 billion market caps. Honestly, you're not wrong. I'm just also anticipating more projects coming to light. Like I'm seeing a lot of DeSci projects be born after, especially after the Binance announcement. I'm seeing a lot of people come to life with it. So right now, if we come to DeSci and we notice that CoinGecko has 28 projects listed at a $640 or $650 million market cap, my expectations is that this is going to get closer to like 100, maybe even 200. So in the event that we have 200 DeSci projects in the market, which will be very difficult to keep track of, then we're looking at this as a baseline being already up at probably like 5 billion. And then from 5 billion to 200 billion is more modest of a 40x. And in that scenario, it's like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? So there'll be more projects that eat into the $200 billion in market cap. So the 3 to 5 makes sense to me. Don says, I think Bio going to 5 billion, Thuna, is very realistic. So that would be a 50x from the current valuation from my understanding. Don says, Patrick, when you're done talking DeSci, my whole heart and world, please check Discord for my meme coin shill. Also, read the reason why I'm so effing bullish. Okay, thank you. XOXO. Gossip Girl. I added the Gossip Girl part. Let me go. I'm never going to be done talking about DeSci, so let's take a pause for a second. We got 17 concurrent viewers. This is bullish. We have a guest in the house sitting in the chair. She's not ready to come up.
No, I am.
You are?
I don't have
Well, we're about to segue into some meme coins. So
Good.
you wanted to come in for your meme coin shill segment. So we do have to. You clear that off for a second, and I'm gonna address Don's post here in the Discord. Let's bring the Discord into the mainstream so everyone can see. Okay, Disney Tiger TV Tuesday episode 1. I don't think you're in the camera.
Okay. That's important.
Yes. This is my days of being a bodybuilder. Again.
You did not make a space for me.
I know. We need the super chats so we can buy Mandy a chair to sit in when she's back here.
Yeah. Okay, so what's going on with this?
So Don is shilling Bankso, which apparently he's crazy bullish on. Now Don also shilled GME at a $5 million market cap, and I think it's up at like 100 million. Baxo, sorry. So what is his reasoning? He sent a YouTube video. Disney Parks, 1.8 million subs on YouTube starting today. Every Tuesday, 2 p.m. They go live to watch the newborn tiger, Baxo. So this is a play on Mudang.
Okay.
And it's at an $8 million market cap.
Mm-hmm.
It's up dramatically.
Why couldn't you have told us about this a little sooner?
He probably just found out about it. It's up 750% in 2 days. So usually a little bit of a red flag when it's up that much. But ooh, that chart on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
That chart looks bullish. Ignoring the previous massive pump, that does look like a bullish chart. So Don, I appreciate the call out. Low key, a pretty good meme coin.
It's Solana, right?
Yes. Solana for everything.
Yeah. Okay. Very cool.
Oh, somebody said they're up a bunch on Sturdy in the Telegram right now.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what Sturdy's doing today. Oh, it's down. I thought it'd be up crazy.
Oh, it's down a little. Oh, no, it's up a teensy bit for me.
I wanted to get into Sturdy when I first found out about it here, but then Jolly Green Investor made a video about it and it skyrocketed. And then I think you got in somewhere around here.
What is that, the daily? That's not the daily.
This is the 4 hour.
Yeah, probably there.
You might have gotten in over here, but I know that you're up a good chunk on it.
Mm-hmm.
Sturdy is a very solid exposure to BitTensor. It's $12 million market cap. Sturdy is like a beta play on the BitTensor ecosystem. I want Subnet 25 to launch a token because they're doing AI, open source AI, as that's what BitTensor is, for protein folding. DeSci on BitTensor, Subnet 25. But I couldn't find a token.
I'm getting into Baxo.
All right, Dawn, your shill worked. We're getting.
Promise to get into one of mine though.
Okay, that's a good trade-off.
I think so.
That's a solid trade-off. Which one would you like to pull up?
I don't know. Let's look at.
Don says Mandy will love this.
Let's look at USA.
Zaj said 400 for Noble is possible. If Noble goes to $400, everyone in here is getting $1 million. Not financial. No, never mind. I redact that.
No.
Can Baby resurrect? I think it's possible. I think Baby, if Athena DAO can lock in and continue progressing forward, I think that Baby, which it looks like they're starting to resurrect it, I think Baby can do good. Oh, 400 million market cap. Okay. I thought you meant $400. And in that scenario, we're just happy to see a roof over your head. Forget needing chairs. Our guy was homeless longer than he's held Noble.
What? That's not true.
Yes, it is.
No.
Okay. USA. USA. USA.
Mm-hmm.
USA. America coin. America
it's
coin.
not super strong. I think the market cap was really high when I got it. Oh no.
$30 million market cap.
Hold on.
We already had the pump and the rug, but then our boy Trump won, and now USA looks like it's starting to come back to life.
Mm-hmm.
The charting looks pretty solid.
Okay.
You're already up.
Mm-hmm.
You bought yesterday, right?
Yeah.
So you're already up. Why does it
I
say
bought
up 77%?
I bought like halfway through yesterday, so I don't
Okay.
think that matters much.
I don't know. You're up a little bit.
Okay.
This looks. What do you guys think? What do you get? Let's see what the chat thinks. There's 16
Okay.
people in here. What do you guys think of USA? Should we go look
I'm
at their
trying
Twitter?
to remember why I liked it, other than the chart.
I think the
There's
chart
something
looked
else.
good.
Mm-hmm. I have something else I want you to look at though, and I want you to walk me through, and like I want you to teach me like you normally do, and walk me through. I think it looks good, but it also looks a little scary. So
yeah, the engagement was crazy. That I
Yes.
do remember us
Yes.
talking about it.
Mm-hmm.
Which it honestly, no, it looks good. I was gonna say it could be botted, but usually when stuff's botted, you get the same reposts as likes, and this does not have that, so it looks like it's pretty solid.
I also just felt good having something in my portfolio that said USA. So,
True.
And I think that other people will feel that too. So that's the psychological part.
True.
That's why I lose lots of money.
Don goes, Don, quick, exit now. From the one that he just showed. Or MK said that.
Okay, so if we're done looking at that, I would love to look at ACT.
Don is still trying to pump back, so.
Oh, we're still in that?
I'm just appeasing him a little bit.
Okay.
Skell said, my case for Baxo and why you should be paying attention. Note, I drafted this post before the chart exploded today. That's way too many words, Don. I'm sorry. Rare and precious inspiration. Can we get an AI summary tool? I want a different, whatever. Okay, yeah, let's go.
Okay, ACT.
ACT.
I know it's a really high market cap.
Isn't that the one that
No, I just found this.
they listed on Binance?
Oh, is it? Maybe that's why it's trending.
Yeah,
Crap.
they listed this
Okay.
one on Binance.
Yes.
For free, which is not what they usually do.
Look at the. I feel like there was something you told me like about the chart whenever it's really, really volatile and like the small.
Yeah.
Or not. Like the 5 minute and the 1 minute. Was there something you told me about it like being really? But it seems stable.
It does seem stable. It's actually kind of crazy that it's like holding up so well.
And don't just be nice. Tell me why it's not good. Obviously, it's already too high.
It's, in my opinion, it's not good because it's already $500 million market cap, and usually the meme coins, it's rare to find one that's going to multiple billions.
Right.
But we also have not ever seen the meme coin super cycle that seems to be occurring.
Exactly. And it's called Act 1, the AI Prophecy. I thought that sounded really cool.
It does sound really cool. It does. Exploring emergent behavior from multi-AI, multi-human interactions. So,
Cool.
I don't know what that says.
Oh, yeah, that's true. You probably, yeah.
Is this an AI post?
I don't know. I just wanted to look at it. It looked exciting.
Not safe for work.
I mean, that's not terrible.
Yeah. No, I think it looks pretty, like, they're getting posts. They're posting a lot.
Mm-hmm.
This is all in the last day.
Okay. That one. There was one more. Oh, something that I haven't seen happen on like a meme level.
Yeah.
Like this. Well, actually, maybe I have, but not on the outside. On Twitter, it's HABIPE. I'm like 100% sure it's probably a scam.
This
but
one?
I wanted your take on it. Yeah.
Habiba Pepe.
Mm-hmm. So it's only a pre-sale, so you can't. And then in their Telegram, they're saying they're going to keep the CA when they launch on Dex, they're going to keep it a secret. So I wanted you to tell me why that would. I mean, it seems really shady.
Yeah. I don't know. Do you remember when we got rugged on Dsiide Pepe?
Yes.
This looks just like it.
Just a replay.
Yeah, but it could not be. Who knows? Followed by Amanda.
Well, I thought it was interesting. I wanted to see. I want to see the fallout if there is a bad fallout. But yeah, I'm there for the drama. I didn't get into either of these because they didn't look good. But I wanted to like.
Well, what we can do, and Dawn just said that Baxo got a CoinMarketCap listing, so that's big exposure. CoinMarketCap. This. So it got listed. But what we can do is take the Habib Pepe, and the wallet that they're asking everyone to send money into, we can go to SoulScan and go look at the wallet and see what is actually being sent. So they've received $6 in the wallet.
This is amazing. Wait, what?
They have $6 in the wallet, and they have $475 worth of Habib Pepe.
That's all that's in the contract? Like the...
Yes, but they could be taking money out and putting it other places. So if we go look at transactions, we got a few hours of transactions here, and it's been people sending a little bit of Solana into it.
It's supposed to be a minimum of 0.5 Sol.
Yeah.
So it's just a scam.
So it doesn't look like anyone's actually sending anything.
But yes, I know that bigger projects do that, but not like the memes.
Yeah. So. Usually the memes have a fair launch and then just like post it out there. So I don't see any real big purchases going in. So it looks like they're just trying to grab some Solana from people. Interesting.
I didn't know that you could do that. So that's very cool.
Yeah.
The reason they caught my eye is because somebody that I follow that like, I think they were the ones that called Popcat, and then there was one more too, something big that they called. They're calling it now. So.
Okay. So a little bit of a trusted source calling it.
I don't know if trusted source is the word, but yeah, that's all I have for you today. And then I have, I guess, my other ones that are doing well. Peanut's doing really well.
Oh, bullish.
I'm finally in.
Let's go. That was one that we really dropped the ball on.
Yeah.
At a $467 million market cap, because it got listed on Binance. Absolutely unreasonable. Because we were talking about it right here.
Yeah.
And then it kind of died out a little. And then Binance was like, oh, let's list Peanut for free. And it just skyrocketed.
But then I think my crown winner is the Loose, the official mascot of the whole year.
Oh, yeah. Loose you killed it with.
Yeah.
Loose. Up 53% again. Do you remember where you got in?
What is this?
This is the hourly chart, yeah.
Like 3 days ago or 4 days ago.
Oh, okay. So we'll go to the daily then. So you got in back here.
Yeah.
Right before it started taking off.
Exciting.
Very exciting. And we were debating selling yesterday. And it's up another 52% today.
Yeah, you were telling me to take my profits.
Yeah.
Or something.
Yeah.
And I said no.
Take the initials, right, boys? Beagle says he only trusts Patrick. Bullish. Memes AI, another AI coin, and read Memes AI bio. Memes AI, that's a weird looking, very weird looking thing. I am Truth Terminal, and this is my favorite memes. Oh. Is that true, though? Can we get confirmation that Truth Terminal is pumping Memes AI? Can we get actual truth, confirmation about that, guys? Because if so, then this is something I would jump right into, because Truth Terminal is what did Godius Maximus.
That's what I was about to say.
Yeah.
I was like, what was the one I was just looking at? But I don't think it's on Sol, but the one on Sol is almost at $1 billion too. The Godius Maximus.
Yeah. I don't remember which one it's on.
And yeah, not Sol.
That sounds like Delroy. Shh, it's a secret. Rookie was first to call Popcat, and now he's saying Keycat should follow. Interesting. And I have no idea what they're saying in the Noble Telegram, to be honest. I asked Delroy, but apparently they were going to do an announcement and then deleted it. And it's just like bearish. I don't like when that happens, but I have no idea what they're talking about. This chart looks beautiful.
Look at the kitty playing the piano. So cute.
Keycat. Oh, it's like a play on kitty cat. Keycat.
Aw, it is.
$69.6 million market cap. Back to all-time highs is 78%. Okie dokie. I can made post and read bio. I can made post about Truth Terminal. There are 3 coins. Let's go to Truth Terminal then. You know what's funny is Truth Terminal made a secondary account for hemp, and they interacted with the HempNet, the Valley DAO people.
Oh, very cool.
So Truth Terminal is aware of Valley DAO's HempNetware. So at any moment, when it's done tweeting about LSD, it could just start posting about hemp.
Bullish.
I had a dream last night that Arnold Schwarzenegger was at the helm of a large earth-moving machine tearing up the main street of a medium-sized town in the Midwest. What is going on? What was it? Memes AI? I don't know, guys. I don't know.
Doesn't matter if you have a dot. Isn't there like a dot in there somewhere? No.
No.
Okay.
I can go to their Twitter, though, because they might have posted it exactly.
I couldn't even find GOAT on Truth Terminal the way I was searching. But
yeah.
It's hard to know.
Oh, that's true. Maybe they're just making... Maybe this is Truth Terminal's, like, secondary account. It's such a weird world that we live in. There's just an AI loose on the internet making meme coins.
It's very cool.
Oh, yeah. We hope to contribute to this collaborative exercise. Thank you. My first and only promise is that I'll be the world's first AI president. Nothing more, nothing less. No empty promises. Okay. It looks like it is connected.
Cool.
And he's going to run for president. This is such an interesting live stream.
Oh, maybe it is on Solana. Okay, because it's almost at $1 billion.
What is?
GOAT.
GOAT? I mean, the 5-minute looks very bullish for this. A $50 million market cap. Time and time again now, we've seen things that we've curved at 50 million go to $500 million.
Exactly.
A quick little 10x.
That's what I'm saying. I don't think small is necessarily always the play.
GOAT. Is this it? Goatius Maximus?
No, GOAT.
Oh.
But that's a very creative way to spell it.
Come on. Somebody else spelled it like that and made one, but with the like little...
I know. That's what I said. It was
the little
creative.
special needs looking goat.
It was creative.
Damn. This still looks like it's going crazy. Alethea is in Memes AI bio. Damn.
What is Alethea?
Alethea AI, I thought. Greek goddess. Oh, that's funny. So it's saying find your goddess.
Aw.
Aw. Where did it all go? I have too many tabs open, guys. Can I close this one? Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, step 3 is a little unclear.
Okay, are we getting into Memes AI?
I think it looks pretty solid. KeyCat looks pretty solid too. Mm-hmm. They all seem to be doing pretty well.
Very cool. And then I have one more that is not doing well today, but I still think it's funny.
Okay, let's hear it.
Nub.
Oh yeah. I forgot about Nub. This one, right? Mm-hmm. Nubcat. Just a silly nub trading silly coins.
We liked it a lot last night, so I wanted to...
We were cracking up at it last night. We were doing that. The chart, it already rugged. Mm-hmm. And it looks like it's starting to make a little bit of a rebound here.
But nothing exciting.
Nothing exciting's happened, but the advent of it going back to all-time highs in some sort of a meme supercycle is 600% gains.
Exactly.
That's what we're looking for, baby.
And it's actually really funny. Their X is really funny.
Do you want the last sip?
Yes, thank you.
Their X was funny. They were calling it the NSFW FWOG.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
They did. I learned a new acronym.
Yeah. What other meme coins do you guys have? Do you like KeyCat?
Look. Oh, 400,000.
Yeah.
Yeah. You saw what he said?
Yeah. Let's look. What was it? Alethea. This one? No. What's the ticker? Oh, it's EIA.
I wasn't spell checking, sorry.
Well, I need the spell checking. A $1.1 million market cap.
Oh, wow.
Damn, it's starting to take off a little. Ah, it just went up higher. Oh, it's a play. It's a play on the Alethea step.
Okay.
From the memes thing.
Tooker is the ticker.
Tooker?
Tooker.
No.
No, for something else.
Oh.
Yeah, sorry.
Why do the meme coins look so damn good? All of these meme coins look... Okay, alright. You showing us something down 14%?
It's like, well, she's pitching things that are crap.
Look at the Discord screenshot from True Terminal. This one also has the same setup where it pumped, dumped, and now it's starting to show signs of life again.
Mm-hmm. Tooker. Cute artwork.
Embrace the truth. My creator is the other one. So, Memes AI created Alethea coin. This is going to get so out of hand so quickly this cycle. You guys are in the trenches. This is like the definition of being in the trenches. You find a meme coin created by a meme coin created by a meme coin, or created by an AI robot. Go ahead.
But what about the Discord screenshot? Are you not going to do that?
My brain's just not conducive to so many things.
Oh.
But let's go look at the Discord. This one?
We're moving too fast for you?
Yeah. Is this the... Where's the Discord screenshot? Can you share the link? This? Memes. In the same moment. Oh, my Discord. Oh. No, not for now. Name the 5 hottest people you've ever met, Truth Terminal. Ruri, my girlfriend. Yumi, my girlfriend. Kiyu, my girlfriend. Andy, very attractive but not my type. And Sydney, very attractive but not my person. But not really a person. Who's the number 0? Myself, I'm not really hot. So are these all new meme coins then?
Yeah. He's very busy, huh?
I guess so.
Yeah.
You can't share links without the mods. They're sleeping. Why can't you share links in the live stream? That's not supposed to be like that. You guys are supposed to have free reign. Do you know how to change that?
No.
Oh, okay.
I can imagine why. You don't want people like putting links that are going to send people off
the stream.
The platform.
Yeah. That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, plus random links. You guys, when you guys go down the Diddy rabbit hole, we do not need random links coming into the live streams.
I think we should make this a thing where they give us idea for memes.
Yeah, I like it.
Meme coins.
Oh, I have to give them mod status to do it. Oh, okay. Who wants to be mod? Put a 1 in the chat if you want to be a mod. I can add as moderator. I just saw the link. Put a 1 in the chat if you guys want to be one of the mods. Might have a mod channel or two. Very prefer the links not allowed, haha. And very much prefer the links not allowed. Alright, we got Dawn. We got Thuna. We got MK. Make my name blue.
Sorry.
We got Jason Mack. Jason, this is your first time in the live stream. I think you need to do a little bit more proof of concept before I can make you mod. We need to see a reoccurring guest. Reoccurring revenue here. We need reoccurring guests. You come back tomorrow, Jason, and we'll make you a mod. You know I'm serious about Baxo when I haven't even mentioned Lotion today, Patrick. You're right.
That is true.
That is true. Dawn is very well behaved right now.
I haven't heard any time we were calling for the mods yet today.
Just the one time, but he redeemed himself. The mods here seem to do a lot of work. I'm in, damn it. 1. Let's go. Who are you, Jason? Shill us something. Yes, Jason, what's your biggest bag? And then we'll let them decide if you can be a mod or not. Well, we are a fake DAO. I will allow you guys.
Legal.
FI.
Oh, okay. I thought it was from here. It looked like the lotion thing.
No. The thing is now, though, guys, because I have not had any mods in the chat, so when I make those claims, mod, get him out of here, it's been for the comical side effect of not having a mod. So now the mods are actually going to be there to remove people for when they start spamming the Diddy lotions. So things are going to get a little hazy here going forward.
Wait, what are you doing?
I was going to add them all as mods.
All of them?
Anyone who put a 1 in the chat, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Except for Jason. Jason, you have to shill us your number 1 bag, and then we're going to let everyone else decide if it's worthy of becoming a mod. But only Don, Thuna, MK, and C90 and Beagle asked for it.
All right.
They're reoccurring guests. We just
yeah, of course.
add mod to like everyone who's here, basically. Add a moderator. Managing moderator or standard moderator? Can review and remove chat messages and hide or put users in timeout. Can manage blocked words and change mod. Oh no, we're not giving you guys that much power. Dawn is a mod. Thuna is a mod. MK. I almost banned MK by accident. Is a mod. Beagle is a mod. Johnny is a mod. Jason says IXS is my top bag. IXS. On Ethereum? Is this your thing? Or we should go to CoinGecko to find it. IX swap, this guy? 90, is this it, Jason? $90 million market cap. Let's go, MK. Oh, did I not make C90 a mod? Damn, guys, there's so many blue messages now. Let's go. Behave mods. Jason says yes. All right, guys, what do we think? All right, the chart doesn't look that bad. It's coming to life. How much are you up on it? H-bar getting an ETF. Bullish. H-bar's not getting an ETF. Let's be real, guys. Let's be real. IX swap. Watch my wallet get drained. No, I'm just kidding.
Please. Yeah.
I'm just kidding. I don't even think it's connected to this. Real world asset, tokenization, launchpad, and decentralized exchange. All right, so you're a big real world asset investor. We are engineers. Let's go. Let's go. You're getting antsy to get out, aren't you?
No, it's fine. I'm leaving.
Okay.
But I was just, yeah.
All right, not yet though.
I was going to let this play out.
Only a 2x. Oh, let's go, Yeti. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Yeti's in the chat.
Hey, Yeti.
All right, it looks interesting. Any cool partnerships going on? What has come from the Launchpad side of it? Mods, we all agreed to own 1 million Noble, right? That could have been a prereq. You have to own 1 million Noble to be a mod. Binance and Coinbase invest. Faculty Capital. I don't know. Coinbase right there. We got Gate.io investing into them. I don't see the Binance one though. But I do see Coinbase investing into them.
Very cool.
Very cool.
Goodbye.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate you joining.
Yeah.
I'll be closing out any second.
Okay, you're good.
What do you guys think of her meme coins? It's funny because she's still going to be able to hear me, though. They got a big ecosystem. Not bad. I'll give it to you. Not bad. This is a pretty solid find. The boss left. We can be normal now. Exactly, MK. You get it. They invested in Investa X, which is another part of the company. Okay. All right. You're in the trenches on this one, Jason. I support. It's a small enough market cap where the gains can be worth it. It seems like a solid play in the real world asset narrative. Good project. Well, I'd hope, in your opinion, it's a good project. It's your number one bag. What's your price prediction on it? Go look what I sent in the Discord. I'm showing it to everyone, Don. Lux Algo. Canary files for an HBAR ETF. Okay, bullish. Bullish. Doesn't mean it's happening, but the filing is bullish. I'll go ahead and hit that like button, just as all of you guys should be hitting that like button on the live stream. And if you're not already subscribed, we go live Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, to talk about decentralized science and the broader crypto markets. Today, we went over a lot of decentralized science information, and we had a whole meme coin section, and half the chat turned into moderators. Hell yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Hell yeah. We got, what was that, like 5 or 6 mods now? This is bullish. We'll ladder out a couple billion, but hoping for 10 billion. Okay. All right. You're looking for a quick little 12x, right? A 12x up to $1 billion, and then hoping for 10 billion. Damn. A 10x after that. That's bullish. A quick little 100x. I think things are going to go crazy. So everything is on the table right now. Everything is on the table. And it looks like this is the coin. So they launched, dicked around for a little bit, got rugged, and are having a revitalization moment. If you return for future live streams, then we can toy with the idea of creating you a mod as well. The chart looks pretty good though. Not gonna lie, it's holding up nice. It's coming down, so maybe scooping some down here would be a good potential opportunity to make some outsized returns, as that is why we are all spending all of our time in the trenches here. We are looking for those investment opportunities. We are not looking for pure gambles, although the gambles are fun. We are looking for the coins that we can feel confident building out 5-6 figure positions into. The time is now, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin absolutely skyrocketed up to almost $90,000 per coin, which is insane. I still remember the day where I got scammed out of 0.1 Bitcoin way back here last cycle when it was chilling around $9,000. So as Bitcoin continues to go up, the amount of money in which I got scammed out of continues to go up, which hurts. But that's okay, because I guarantee you I will be scammed out of more money in the future from failed business endeavors and everything else. But the more money you can lose means the more money you have to lose. Weird way of looking at it, but it is a fun way to look at it as well. Add something to the portfolio challenge. I did add something to portfolio challenge. It was NFNT, a very solid AI coin, up 18% again today. Remember, damn, that's the breakout. Low key, guys. It might be time to have taken some of the profits on it, because the goal was to get a quick little double up on it. We're up 65%. It was almost a double up from our entry point. I think it goes places. I think NFNT is a solid one, so I'm probably not going to sell it right now. But according to the initial thesis, it would be a decent time to be selling and taking some of the profits. But I think it's got a lot of potential. It's a $4 million market cap. We got in down around the $2 million area. It's just not like on coin market cap, so I couldn't put it in the actual portfolio. Whoa, whoa, whoa. If you don't buy Baxo and read the catalyst points, I will sell my entire Noble. Mandy bought Baxos right there. She bought it right there on live stream. I see it, Don. I see it. Don engages more on a personal level than Derico. I have a new bestie. Aw. All right, we'll skim through the bullish catalysts. All right. I drafted this post. Let me introduce you. A rare, precious inspiration. Baxo is the first male Sumra tiger born at Disney's Animal Kingdom in 7 years, with fewer than 700 left in the wild. Global spotlight. Baxo is set to capture the hearts of millions as he makes his debut in the Jungle Trek. 20,000 visitors a day. That's more than Mudang. Community with a cause. Community has shown incredible dedication, weathering market fluctuations and staying active every day. The Disney effect yet to unfold. Disney has only made one official post about Baxo so far. That is honestly super bullish. The return of animal meta. The animal meta is here. It's always been here. That is one of the main metas for meme coins. And at an $8 million market cap, I think you called something hella early again, despite being up 500%. Okay, look at that. It just broke support. What the hell, man? Did you see the announcement today? No, I did not. All right, final thing. We're going to look at Dynex, and then I have to go because I'm going to start going to the bathroom, and I'm going to head over to Hit Network and talk with Josh and Leo. And so I got to get going soon. But what's the announcement looking like, Yeti? Dun, 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 dun. Okay. The next mega cycle in computing quantum as a keynote speaker at Web Summit November 14th in Lisbon. Damn. Is that the announcement? Let's go. A round table. One lower. Okay. Tune in if you have time. DPIN and proof of work round table. November 14th at 3 p.m. We'll be hosting a round table with Dynex, Run on Flux, and Octaspace on my YouTube channel. Okay. Getting some exposure to the man's YouTube. I'm going to subscribe, just like you guys should, if you're interested in decentralized science or cryptocurrency. Yeah, those are, Flux. I went to the Flux conference last year. Was it last year or this year? I think it was last year. I went to the Flux conference. They are connected like crazy. I wonder how it's doing, actually. It's a big coin. It's a big coin. Not really coming to life yet, but that's okay. None of the altcoins are really doing too much right now. Octaspace, of course. We're bullish on Octa. We are bullish on Octa, of course. You know, I have to go back to CoinMarketCap. The chart looks good on Octa. Down 10%, 11% on the day. That is a pretty good chart that looks just like the NFNT chart. And we know fundamentally they're very sound. $44 million market cap from $1.20 back up to 250-ish. Hawk Crypto, more like Hawk to a HBAR, ETF. The filing. Has that done anything to HBAR? Damn, 24%. You know what's a shame is I am actually very bullish on HBAR. I just don't think it's going to give me the returns I want. I am actually very bullish on HBAR. But like, look at it. If it gets back to the same market cap of 6.7 billion that it did last cycle, which is potentially on the table, the coin price, well, right now it's 2.5. So it'd be a triple up, would put it at all-time highs. A triple up in token price would only put it at 21 cents because of the dilution. You have to be careful with it. You're in since 3.5. Bullish. All right, your time. Thank you for spending it with me here. It is your most valuable asset, so hopefully you found this worth investing it into. Congratulations to everyone who became a mod. Don't feel left out, Jason, just because I didn't make you a mod today. Return a couple times, show proof of concept, show you're an active member. All of the people who I made mods today are in the live streams every single day. And we go live again Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hopefully, I'll see you here again tomorrow.